Starting with version 4.3 of AcqKnowledge, we can import and export files between AcqKnowledge and the Observer XT. Let's begin by demonstrating how we can export markers from AcqKnowledge to the Observer XT. Here on the top, where the global markers are, we can see three different stimulation event markers. There are clap, you can see the label here, happy face, and angry face. To export the time and label of these markers to the Observer XT, we go under Analysis, Noldus, and choose Export Events to the Observer XT. We can export all the different events we have in the data file, or specifically the ones that are the stimulation delivery events, which is really what we want. We may, in fact, have many more different events in the file. And then we just have to select where to save the file and what will be the file name. And for right now, I'll just save it where we have all the different Noldus files. So save. And let's have a look at the result. We'll go ahead and open up the export file. And this is how it looks. We have stimulus delivery events, 3 of them, and the labels are given, as well as the time of the event. And now let's have a look at how we can import events from the Observer XT. We support both state and point behaviors. So again, we have to go under the Noldus menu, and this time choose Import Markers from the Observer XT. We'll begin by importing states. And immediately we can see the state begin and end markers are visible here together with the label. If we have a look at the actual file that was exported from the Observer XT, it's a tab delimited text file. Most importantly, we have an indication whether we have a start or a stop of an event. We have the label of the event, and we also have the time, the relative time in the recording. As you can see here, it's 0, 2.3, 4.6, or 10.19 seconds. So for example, at 10.19 seconds, we have a state stop, and the label is star, and that's exactly the event that's highlighted right now. We can browse the events by enabling the event palette, and we can again look at the time and the label of the different events, as well as, of course, the type of the event. Just the same way, we can import point events. Again, we go to Analysis, Noldus, Import Markers. This time we choose the points, tab delimited events. And here are 2 flags that indicate when the different events occurred and the label of the events. If we look at the source file, this is what it looks like. Again, tab delimited text file. And here we have the label of the event, and as well as the time of the event. And this concludes our quick overview of the new import-export for the Observer XT feature in AcqKnowledge 4.3. Thank you.